This is a black box. Don't worry about what's inside. What's important is that it can transform a piece of raw stock into a perfectly machined part. And it's fast, blazing fast. It's also incredibly reliable and energy efficient. When you take away the distractions of looking in the black box and you focus on what it can do, it's easy to see why investing in one makes a lot of sense. So what is this magical black box? Introducing the Brother Speedio. It may not look like your typical machining center, and that's because it's anything but typical. It's been designed from the ground up to maximize production output while minimizing operating costs. The Brother Speedio. Speed, reliability, efficiency. It's your money.
Take it from me, it's easy to get distracted by endless technical specifications. When we started focusing on what really matters, the shop's productivity, the decision to invest in the Brother Speedio was a no-brainer.
Brother Speedio, the every shop machine.